How to use Xero accounting software 2023 Xero tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. So I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about Xero and how you're going to use this amazing accounting software for yourself in great depth and detail. Okay, it's going to be really fun and it's going to be really easy to get your head around this. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to, learn all the great details and depth about this amazing software, okay? And it's going to be really fun and it's going to be really easy, and I'm going to make sure to make it as informational for you people as possible. So, yeah, basically without further ado, let's just get straight into it, shall we? Okay? So to start things off, obviously you're going to come to Xero.com as I am over here. Obviously, you can see a lot of things over here. Accounting software to do your to-do things. Try accounting software for business days. Explore Xero accounting software and its tools for small businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers. Pay the bills, claim the expenses, bank connections also, explore all the different features, access it anytime. It's for accountants and bookkeepers, plans to suit your business and all that. Pretty great stuff. So if we even were to go on the plans to check it out, here's the plans to suit your business. All pricing plans cover the accounting essentials with room to grow. So first of all, there's the starter plan, which is $25, 25 USD per month. You can buy it now if you want to. Then there's the standard, which is the $40, most popular plan they have. And then there's the premium, which is $54. You can buy all of these right now if you want to. Pretty simple and pretty easy to do so. And you have frequently asked questions, what's the price for multiple companies? You can choose any one of them. Pretty great stuff. Can I pay the subscription annually? You can go ahead and check those things out if you want to, but we're going to skip that and I'm just going to get straight into it. So to sign up with this, you're going to go ahead and to try it for free. Okay. Now, to sign up, I'm going to be using a temporary email for myself, which is a temp mail. Okay. Now, the reason I'm doing is because I rather just prefer this. Okay. But you don't necessarily need to follow this step. You can go ahead and use any type of email that you have, to be honest. Now, once we have this, I'm going to go with this. You're going to choose I'm not a robot and everything. Choose all your settings. Once you've done that, click on confirm and it should take you over here. So, hi John, confirm your email and start using Xero. So obviously it's going to, there we go. There's our confirmation address. And we're going to go ahead and tell it, yes, it is me. So let's get started. And here it is, start using Xero and everything. So, here we have the activation account. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the password that I added, and we're going to go ahead and click on activating our account. So once you activate your account, it's going to take you to the login section. So let's wait for it to bring us there. And it's on, gozero.com and everything. And here we are. So business name, you can add any random business of yourself. You have different industries. Let's see, I'm just going to add that industry. There we go. I'm going to go with media. Okay. General practice, medical services, country, you're going to choose your country. Here it says last day of your financial year. Let's just keep that. Do you have employees? No, it's just me. I'm just going to go with that, and we're going to do that. And then finally, you're going to go ahead and start your trial, okay? Now, when we go on starting our trial, basically, you get a whole fee trial for yourself for a few days. So you get a 30-day trial, which is pretty cool. And to get a general outlook of it, Xero is a cloud-based accounting software, okay? And it's designed for small businesses and accounting needs. So Xero simply allows you to, manage your day-to-day operations and transactions, from invoicing, simple bank reconciliations, and inventory project management, and more. Xero is extremely user-friendly and will ultimately save your time and money. And one of the great reasons you want to use an online accounting software like Xero for your small business is you can simply connect your accountant with your Xero account, okay? Which means that your accountant can simply monitor and access your account when they need to for financial reporting at the end of the financial year, or anytime you need support and help, that you can reach out to your accountant and they can access your account and provide the information that you're looking for. So it's important to talk to your accountant and discuss Xero as an option for your small business. And one last thing before we dive into our Xero account, waste no more time. It's important to know that this video tutorial is not sponsored by Xero. This is not a sponsored video, okay? This is an overview from the perspective of a business owner, okay, like myself. And I mentioned in this tutorial that I'm not an accountant, so if you do need some advice in terms of your account, then get in touch with your accountant. I'm just going to cover this as an online accounting software that can benefit small business owners such as yourself. So, first of all, this is your dashboard. This is where you can get your setup, okay? This is where everything, usually goes down because you get the analytics, you get the tips, and all those settings. Now, so here on our dashboard where you can see snapshots, what's happening within your business, within your account. Firstly, you can see your bank account with bank feeds that are connected. So this is where you can go ahead and reconcile your items and the transactions that have been happening in your account. And I'm going to show you how to do this after I have covered the dashboard. Then obviously below you can see different time trackings. You can get paid with invoices, different snapshot of the last 6 months of analytics, and a whole lot of other things that your account contains. Then moving on, you have different chart of accounts over here. So first of all, there's the business, okay, and in the business you can get different analytical terms like short-term cash flow and everything. You can find revenue over here with other accounts under it, which is also pretty cool. Then you can go back into business. And again, in the business, you can see snapshots, as I told you, which are in your dashboard. They're going to be in your dashboard where you can also see them in this business section over here with the different analytical, details and data and all the other essentials that you can, actually work with for yourself. Then again, if we hover over business, you can see your monthly invoices. If there are any, you can see your monthly quotes. You can see your sales overview with the different sales that you have. You can see the bills to pay, the purchase orders, purchase overview. You can see your expense claims, products and services, pay run, and a whole lot more. So pretty useful and cool stuff that you can have for yourself. Now, moving on, there's contacts where you can basically add different contacts to your basic Xero accounting store. Okay, so if you go on all contacts like this, you're gonna come here, make the most of contacts in Xero. Okay, create and manage your customers and suppliers contact information so you can view activity, payment history, and notes, and all of this that goes on into your page. So you can mess around with that. And then finally, there's accounting where you can get different sales tax reports. You can also get charts of accountant. Okay, charts of accountant is basically the chart that your accountant gives you with different codes and stuff. And these are basically for your accountants that you're going to ask your accountant to do this if you don't know the accountant bit by yourself properly, okay? And then obviously moving on, you could see different CRMs in this too if you want to with the business section and a whole lot more. So basically, this is the general outlook of Xero. Okay, this is the general outlook of the Xero software. You can also like integrate it with different things like Stripe, Deputy to, get your basic settings. And then moving on, you could also like create new invoices, bills, contacts, quotes, purchase orders. You can spend money, you can receive money, you can transfer it straight from this. And you can also go into your account business settings to, just mess around and alter with the business settings if you want to. But yeah, that's the general outlook of it. That's basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see all of you incredible people next time in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.